Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Min's Minutes Modcast. And today, my special guest is Mike. Hey, Mike.
Hey man, how are you?
Doing well. We've only got a minute, so let's crack on. My first question is, what's been your most surprising 90-day shake-up moment with a startup?
So one of the things that we truly believe in at Underdog is that anyone has got the potential to be world-class at something. And the biggest thing for us has been to help people uncover what their superpower is. And we've done that by helping individuals identify the playground in which they can play. And that's been particularly important with a couple of brothers who we call the BG Bros, based out in Toronto in Canada, who were bouncing around in different areas, trying different things and experimenting, which most founders would say is a great thing. But we actually helped them break through by helping them to identify a very specific playground that tapped into both of their superpowers, which collectively enabled them to build a revenue generating business in under 90 days, actually.